Hello children, today let us say lesson 8 health hazards. Health hazards. Meaning of this lesson is how we are spoiling our health. Children, we can see that today due to the development, we can see that most of the persons, especially the youngsters, they prefer to do the wrong thing. Wrong thing means doing the drinks, taking the alcohol, or else smoking cigarette and BD. Like that they are doing the wrong things. So in this lesson we are going to say that is the bad habit. If any person doing that thing, what will happen? That is the situation we are going to see. We can see that if a person is smoking means his health is badly will be affected. If any person is smoking, his health will be badly affected, especially when he smokes, his lungs will be affected. So not this one. Later, after a few years, what will happen? He will get different kinds of diseases, yes, including cancer he will get, and in the end he will not be able to breathe. It is a difficult situation. The end of his life is very difficult and critical. Once a doctor, there was a patient meeting a doctor. The doctor telling him, when he smoked, the patient is a chain smoker. The doctor asking the patient, just blow from your mouth, blow the air. He's telling. Exhale. That means exhale. We are now after inhaling, we are exhaling the air now. He's telling. Exhale, like that he is telling. So he is taking a pure white tissue paper. After taking the tissue paper, the doctor telling you can exhale in the tissue paper like that. So the patient now is exhaling 3 times. 3 times exhaling after that. So after that, the doctor looking at the white tissue, it is now turned into black color. It turned into black. So doctor telling the patient, see, look at it. Your lungs is now like this. Your lungs is now like this. In the beginning, your lungs is very pure and good and healthy. And due to the smoke, every day you are doing, now your lungs is turned into very bad condition like that. That is the reality. If any person who is smoking, his lungs is badly affected. That is the reason. We can see like that many things, because when you smoke, the cigarette and BD, it contains the very harmful things. Very harmful things, and it will affect our body and system, and we will suffer for it. Then one more thing we can see about the alcohol. Nowadays, people thinking that taking the drugs and alcohol is a fashion, but that is not correct. If you are taking the alcohol, you are spoiling your health. The person who is taking the alcohol, he is spoiling the health. Whether he or she, they are spoiling the health. If you want to be healthy, what to do? We must avoid the smoking, we must avoid the alcohol and drink everything, and we must see our body as a good thing, and we must protect from all kinds of the harmful things, all kinds of bad things. Get out of the bad things and try to be good. And see, when other person doing any just correct them. That also some kinds of responsibility. You can see that when a smoking person coming near to you, when he coming near to you and talking to you, you can feel the bad smell. Okay, you can find the bad smell, and what he will do, he will try to go out of him. Okay, you will find the way to be outside him, and he will. That is the thing. Okay, in socially, if any person doing the drinks or alcohol or any smoking anything, no, any bad habit means the person, those who are surrounded by him, what they will do, they will stop leaving. Okay, they will not bother about him. They will separate from him and go to the good place. That is the thing I want to insist to you. Now you are good children. Okay, study very nicely. You are always good. I saw it. And you don't be carried away by very big actors. No, you can see in the films. They will do the smoking and they will do the drinks and everything. And they will do this fashion. Okay, if you do that, you will be happy. But that is not good. Okay, don't follow that. Okay, if you drinking, okay, why the person drinking means, smoking means, they want to show that they are good. Okay, they are good, or they want to show their freedom. Okay, like that. But that is not correct way. Yes. Okay, you don't be like any other bad person. Okay, choose yourself into right person. Okay, be right and always do good things. Okay, smoking is bad and drinking is bad, and if any person doing, okay, it is our responsibility to correct them. Okay, children, try to take the book and read this lesson 8, health hazard. Okay, health hazard. You can come to know, okay, how to be good. And one more thing is, okay, that is not when we go to the cities, we can find out how the city is polluted. Okay, the city is nowadays polluted. Okay, many pollution there. Okay, land pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Okay, soil pollution. Many things are pollution now there. Okay, see, when you go to the city, you can find out, okay, the vehicles, no, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, it all emits, okay, no, gives the carbon monoxide. Okay, very harmful gas. Okay, it is. And you can see that even we are not able to take the fresh air. Okay, it contains the very bad things in it. So that is the condition. Okay, now everything is because why? Because the smokers and all the vehicles emission gas. Okay, like the situation. Okay, and it is our duty to be good and to correct others also. Be good and try to be good citizens. Okay, children, I hope you can take the book and read the lesson. We will see tomorrow. Thank you.